Hello students, hope you are enjoying the videos we teachers of Baroda High School ONGC are sending you. In this video, I am going to explain English Prose Unit 3 Birthday Gift Board. Activity 1 is very easy, you can solve it. Let's move on to Activity 2. Who does not like gifts? Before our birthday arrives, we all start imagining about our birthday gifts. We are always curious to find out what our parents will give us or what our friends will give us. This is a story of a little girl, Gia. Let's read and find out her story. Activity 2, Birthday Gift. Gia's father gave her a little boat as a birthday gift. It was a beautiful red boat with a milk white sail. Gia wound it up and it sailed in a big bathtub filled with water. Wound it up means the boat had a key. You must have seen toys with keys. Whenever you wound it, it starts running. Similarly, Gia's boat also had a key. Gia was excited. She called her friend Dhruv and showed him the boat. It is a beautiful boat, but does it really sail? Asked Dhruv. Of course, Gia said. She slowly wound the key and put the boat in the bathtub. With a whirr, the boat set off, going round and round, creating ripples. May I sail the boat just once? Asked Dhruv. No, Gia quickly replied. You will spoil my lovely boat. Dhruv was hurt. He went home. He stopped going to Gia's house. But she did not care. She had her little red boat to play with. She spent most of her time near the bathtub. She watched the boat sailing and was happy. Don't we do the same thing, children? Whenever we have new toys, we usually don't share them with everyone. So Dhruv felt very bad and he stopped going to Gia's house. After a few days, she began to get bored. It was no fun playing with the boat all by herself. She wished Dhruv would play with her again. One day, Gia was sitting by the window. Her mother had shut the windows because it was raining. Pitter patter, the rain fell on the closed window. Then Gia heard a song. As it was raining and the water was coming inside, Gia's mother closed all the windows. But Gia could hear the pitter patter sound of the rain, and she felt the wind singing a song to her and calling her out to play with her boat. Come, come, children, with your boat and play. I will take your boats far, far away. It was the wind singing to the children. In a little while, the rain stopped. Gia looked out of the window. All the children had rushed out to play their paper boats in a stream by the road. There were pink boats and white boats, big boats and little boats. They rose and fell with a tiny wave. The weak boats overturned and sank while the strong ones sailed on. I will take my boat too, thought Gia. She washed her boat. It became bright and shiny. She went up to the stream. She wound the key and carefully put the boat in water. Whirr, whirr, it went quickly. It left all the paper boats behind. She looked proudly at the other children. Look at my boat, she clapped. Suddenly, a piece of wood banged into Gia's boat and it broke into pieces. She sat down and cried. Don't worry, you shall play with my boat. She looked up. Dhruv was holding a red boat in his hand. It was just like Gia's boat. Papa bought it for me, Dhruv explained. Come, let us sail it in the bathtub. Gia smiled. They were friends again. Oh, what a friend Dhruv is. Dear children, we should all be like Dhruv. We have quarrels and fights with our friends, but we should learn to forget and forgive. I hope you all understood this simple story. Now let's move on to activity 3. Here you have to draw a boat in a bathtub. Activity 4. Here you have to write what all things you know to make out of paper. Your craft teacher must have taught you to make many things like fish, boat, flower, star, etc. Many a times your friends are very good in making some things which you are not able to do. Write the things what your friends can make and what you can make. Activity 5. Read the lesson thoroughly and write who said these sentences and to whom. Activity 6. Here, from the lesson, you have to find out all the ed words and ing words. Take any 5 ed or ing words and make sentences of your own. Activity 7. From the pictures given, you can identify the seasons. Write the name of the season and write any 3 things you like to do during this season. Also write the season you like the most and why do you like the season. Activity 8. Here you have to write the sound of things. For example, tick-tock sound of a clock, ding-dong sound of a bell, pitter-patter sound of the rain. Write any 3 sound in the given box. Activity 9. You have to read the story again and arrange the sentences according to the story. Activity 10. You have to imagine that you are an umbrella and what you would like to do. For example, if I were an umbrella, I would dance the whole day in the rain. Write only one thing you would like to do. Similarly, if you were an rainbow, what you would like to do. We have come to the end of this lesson. I would be sending you PDF of question and answers. For the meantime, solve all the activities in the textbook itself. Thank you.